For today, I'm going to tackle the movie Gifted. Frank is a single man raising a child prodigy, his spirited young niece Mary, in a coastal town in Florida. Frank's plan for a normal school life for Mary are foiled when the 7-year-old mathematical abilities come to the attention of Frank's formidable mother, Evenly, whose plan for her granddaughter threatened to separate Frank and Mary. Octavia Spencer plays Roberta, Frank and Mary's landlady and best friend. Jenny Slate is Mary's teacher. Bonnie, a young woman who is concerned for her student, develop in a connection with her uncle.
Heritability measures the proportion of variation in a trait that can be attributed to genes, and not the proportion of a trait caused by genes. Thus, if the environment relevant to a given trait changes in a way that affects all members of the population equally, the mean value of the trait will change without any changes in its heritability, because the variation of differences among individuals in the population will stay the same. For example na lang po dun kay Mary, yung bata sa movie. Bata siya pero yung kung paano siya makipag-usap sa matanda, parang sing edad niya, gawa ng yung mga kasama niya sa bahay matanda, yung tatay niya. Kaya ganun yung ugali niya. This is another example. This has evidently happened for height. The heritability for stature is high, but average heights continue to increase. Thus, even in developed nations, a high heritability of a trait does not necessarily mean that average group differences are due to genes. Some have gone further and used height as an example in order to argue that even highly heritable traits can be strongly manipulated by the environment. So heritability has little, if anything, to do with controllability. A common error is to assume that a heritability figure is necessarily unchangeable. The value of heritability can change if the impact of environment in the population is substantially altered. If the environmental variation encountered by different individuals increases, then the heritability figure would decrease. On the other hand, if everyone had the same environment, then heritability would be 100%. A high heritability of a trait does not mean that environmental effects such as learning are not involved. Vocabulary size, for example, is very substantially heritable and highly correlated with general intelligence. Although every word in an individual's vocabulary is learned. For example na lang po yung parang kagaya po kay Mary. Bago pa siya maturuan nung tatay niya, parang likas na po sa kanya na matalina, gawa po nung parang nagmana po siya sa nanay niyang math major. Kaya po ganun siya kagaling mag-solve ng mga math problem.
Gifted tells the story of the struggles gifted children and their caregivers encounter when they lack access to the gifted programs in their neighborhoods. Many in society believe that gifted kids are born with extreme knowledge and superior skills rather than having to learn them. Gifted dispels this misguided belief that being gifted is like a magic. Sadly, many believe that gifted children will be fine on their own and don't require additional support. This is just not true. Relation to the movie, it was explained how Diane's, the gifted child or the Mary's mother, life was. Her mother exposed her to Trachtenberg system for being a math prodigy, where it is a system to rapidly answer arithmetic computation, exposing them to a contest or something else na pasok nga sa special skills nila or talent ay normal lang because dun sila magaling. But on behalf, we have to be balanced because early stage of our lives ay marami tayong dapat ma-develop. katulad nga ng emotional development, and lalong-lalo na ay yung ituring ka as a normal kids. So, balik tayo sa movie. Diane almost missed all the emotions na dapat nalaman, naramdaman at na-develop niya nung nagmamature siya. They call gifted because meron nga silang special skills, pero hindi nag-develop yung utak nila as a normal people. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na ituturing mo na siyang hindi normal at buong buhay nila ilalaan mo na doon, pati kabataan niya. It gives them pressure at the early stage of their lives. Ang problema kasi wala doon sa gifted child, doon sa magulang or sa guardian. Kasi may ilang case na hinahayaan na nila o hindi na nila binibigyang pansin yung mga bata. Ang unfair lang kasi malalaman nila yon sa mga makakasalamuha niya habang siya ay nagmamatured, na marami pala siyang na-miss na maraming development na hindi na-develop. Hindi lang to emotional ha, marami pa. Katulad nga sa movie, nalaman niya na nakaramdam lang siya ng pagmamahal sa tatay ni Mary, which is yung kapitbahay din nila. At doon pa lang nagsimula mag-develop pa yung kanyang emotional state. Gifted children need support, exposure to stimulating content, and caring adults to guide them so they may flourish on their